Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
Question: which scheme aims to provide affordable housing to the urban poor in India? Answer A. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Question: the Ayushman Bharat scheme primarily focuses on which sector? Answer B. Healthcare. Question: under which scheme are farmers provided with minimum support price for their crops? Answer C. Minimum support price scheme. Question: the Swachh Bharat mission was launched in which year? Answer D. 2015. Question: which Indian government scheme provides direct cash transfers to farmers? Answer A. PM Kisan. Question: Make in India initiative was launched to promote which of the following? Answer B. Manufacturing sector. Question: the Jan Dhan Yojana is primarily aimed at which objective? Answer A. Financial inclusion. Question: which scheme provides health insurance coverage up to 5 lakh rupees per family? Answer A. Ayushman Bharat. Question: the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana focuses on which area? Answer A. Rural road connectivity. Question: under which scheme are free LPG connections provided to women from below poverty line (BPL) households? Answer A. Ujjwala Yojana. Question: what is the main objective of the Soil Health Card scheme? Answer A. to provide soil nutrient status to farmers. Question: the National Nutrition Mission is also known as? Answer A. Poshan Abhiyan. Question: which scheme aims to provide skill development training to youth? Answer A. Skill India. Question: the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana (PMKVY) is related to? Answer A. Skill training. Question: which program was launched to provide piped water supply to every rural household? Answer A. Jal Jeevan Mission. Question: the Digital India initiative aims to? Answer A. Promote digital literacy and infrastructure. Question: under which scheme are farmers provided insurance coverage against crop failure? Answer A. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Question: the Stand Up India scheme is designed to promote entrepreneurship among? Answer A. Women and scheduled castes, scheduled tribes. Question: which scheme focuses on electrification of all villages and households in India? Answer D. Pradhan Mantri Sehaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana. Question: the National Food Security Act aims to provide subsidized food grains to what percentage of the population? Answer C. 75%. Question: which scheme was launched to promote solar energy in India? Answer A. National Solar Mission. Question. The Atal Pension Yojana is targeted at which group? Answer A. Unorganized sector workers. Question. The Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan scheme provides? Answer A. Pension for unorganized sector workers. Question. The Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme primarily addresses? Answer A. Girl child survival and education. Question. The National Rural Livelihood Mission is aimed at? Answer A. Poverty alleviation through self-employment. Question. Under which scheme are free textbooks and uniforms provided to school children? Answer A. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Question. The Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana mainly benefits? Answer A. Women from below poverty line families. Question. Which scheme focuses on improving sanitation facilities in rural India? Answer A. Swachh Bharat Mission. Question. The Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana is related to? Answer A. Rural electrification. Question. The Startup India initiative aims to? Answer A. Promote entrepreneurship and innovation.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.